Here's a review for the Hoover Linx Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, an established product in the market. The only way I was able to unbox the product was to pour everything out of the box. However, that didn't really bother me. Mounting the vacuum takes less than 1 minute. Don't forget to screw this little fellow, or you'll end up with just the handle in your hand while vacuuming. The main nozzle has 2 sets of wheels, 2 small and 2 large, for better swivel steering. The brushel is large, having a path width of 11 inches. However, you'll have to use the screwdriver if you ever want to take it out for maintenance. The 17 ounces bin is easily detachable from the main unit. It can be emptied with just a press of a button. It houses a single post motor foam filter which is rather small. However, it is washable, so you don't have to worry about additional costs in this matter. Blue LED lights show the state of the battery at any point in time. This will help you assess the progress of your cleaning. The control button is ergonomically placed on the handle. It has 2 working modes. One with the brushel active, and the other which is using only the suction, without powering the brushel. After charging the battery for approximately 3 hours, you will be ready to use it. The slowly pulsing LED shows you this. Here's what I got inside the bin after running just a couple of tests. Disposing the debris is quite easy, and the design of the dust collector allows you to clean it completely without too much trouble. The cordless Hoover Linx produces around 76 decibels, which is average for its class. Thanks for watching, and visit my blog vacuumsguide.com to find out more about choosing the best cordless vacuum cleaner.